Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. I don't do a lot of unboxing videos. I actually haven't done any and I refuse to. But I'm super excited about what showed up today. And I can't wait to get into this and see what it's all about. Yes, I get it. Yes, I know I've gone through all the training to be a licensed drone pilot here in Canada. And that made me realize that every once in a while I'm gonna want something that's fun, quick, easy, toss up, and do what I need to do. Now that it comes with 4K video at 100 megabytes per second, it seemed like a pretty good deal. So we're gonna pull this out and see what we got here. Alright, so we've got this all unpacked here now. First thoughts, I can't believe how tiny this is. Like, literally. I mean, I probably have ginormous man hands, but still. It's like the size of a cell phone. Unbelievable. Got these little propellers. Let's unwrap these. I'm used to my Mavic 2 Pro. It's so tiny. There's nothing to it. What's this say? Charge the battery to activate. Yeah. Wow. I can't get over the size. And yet it still feels like a quality little drone. Be very easy to get the propellers on the wrong place, but they've got them marked a little bit. I'm gonna pull this out. I'll put that aside for now. And in here we should have power bricks and a charger. So I'm gonna drop that in here. And we're gonna plug all this in and charge the batteries. So that hopefully in a little while we've got charged batteries that I can start the drone and do all the updates I'm sure it'll have. And that's it. Got the LEDs there showing it's starting to charge one at a time like every other DJI product by the looks of it. And let's have a look at this controller. I fly with the Mavic 2 Pro with a smart controller, so I actually don't know what this one looks like. I've taken the Mavic Mini, or the Mini 2, sorry, out for its first couple of test flights. Buzz around my backyard, and pretty impressed. I didn't realize at first, the first couple videos, I only had the quality set at 1080p. Not like you guys will notice, because that's the same quality I upload to YouTube anyway. But I set that to 4K at 30 frames a second, and it's pretty impressive. It's a very capable little drone for how light and how tiny it is. Tiny! I can't believe it. It's so tiny. It's very capable. Takes some good video, and yeah, I definitely consider using it in places where I don't want to get a flight authorization for a bigger one. Why not? Works great. It's an awesome little machine, and work quite well for those shots where I don't want to risk my bigger drones and risk losing one of them. Do a little more risky shots with it, because I mean, yeah, it's enough money, but it's not like a Mavic 2 Pro, so it's a great little machine, and can't wait to get it out some more and see what it'll do. In good light, of course. If it's too dark, my Mavic 2 Pro will obviously outdo it by a lot with the bigger sensor, but in good light, it's a pretty capable little drone. Recommend anyone who wants to grab one of them to go get it and enjoy flying it, and yeah, have fun with it. It's a great little guy for sure. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.